Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about nail fungus. Do you ever look down at your fingernails or toenails and see yellow, chalky material hiding inside? If you're thinking, gross, what's that? Don't freak out, it's actually pretty common and treatable. That chalky substance is likely keratin debris, which is formed when keratin protein, aka fibrous protein found in the nails and outer layer of the skin, breaks down, usually due to fungal infection. If left untreated, it can spread to other areas. Basically, it's a yellowish, thick, and chalk-like substance that appears in the nails, and it's usually sharp and brittle to the touch. While it might sound gnarly, the condition is fairly common and accounts for about half of all nail disorders, says Sonia Batra, a dermatologist in Santa Monica, California, and co-host of the television show The Doctors. She says, nail keratin debris results from a fungal infection of the nail. In medical terms, this is called onychomycosis. The fungal infection breaks down the keratin in the nail to form a white or yellow chalky substance under the nail plate. As keratin debris spreads under the nail plate typically becomes lifted up off the nail bed. This separation creates a warm, moist pocket, which is even more conducive to infection, Batra explains. The nail itself will then take on a white or yellowish color. So the moral of the story is that nail fungus is pretty common and it's treatable. We'll put a link to a great nail fungus treatment kit below. It's also important to trim your nails, and we'll put a link below to the best manicure set we found on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new medical videos all the time. Adios. Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.